For many of us, getting a drink of water is as simple as turning on the faucet. But here in northern Kenya, getting water is a lot more work. For most of the year, rain is nothing more than a distant memory. In the dry months, stream beds dry up and finding water becomes a challenge. Digging under the sand, like this, is the only way to get a simple drink around here. Julius is a global mission pioneer working in this part of Kenya. He came here to share the gospel message with this remote group. Through Christ's method, Julius has developed real relationships with the villagers, and many of them have accepted Jesus into their hearts. Sadly, these new believers don't have a church building of their own to worship in. They meet regularly inside this humble, mud-walled building. This space is a public facility owned by the area chief, and he allows them to gather here. The villagers hope to have an Adventist church building someday. They trust that God will provide for them and are grateful for the temporary space they worship in now. This has been the location of countless Bible studies, prayer meetings, and singing sessions. Julius loves discussing new topics with the villagers, and they are eager to learn more. Joseph and Penina are married, and they've been studying the Bible with Julius for quite some time now. They have committed their lives to Jesus, but haven't had the opportunity to be baptized yet. Joseph and Penina have been waiting about a year for enough rain to come to this area so they can get baptized. It is so dry that it isn't possible without a good rain. Until then, they wait patiently and continue studying and learning with Julius. Despite the challenges, God is doing amazing things in villages like this through the work of global mission pioneers. Julius and other pioneers in Kenya ask for your prayers. Advancing the work can be difficult here, but God's faithful servants are eager to share His message. Please pray for pioneers around the globe and consider how you can support them. Thank you for supporting mission.